Guys, we always need to remember why we are investing. So if I happen to ask you, why do we invest? Then what would be your answer? Most probably your answer would be, we invest because we want to earn money. If you have this kind of mindset, then please change this immediately. Earning money is not our objective of investing. All of us are aiming to be professional investors, and professional investors invest not to earn money. Their objective is to fight inflation. Understand, why are we not investing in fixed deposit? Fixed deposit offers fixed returns ranging from 6 to 7%. Currently it is even lower. And you know what the best part is? The inflation is also in this range. Now currently the inflation is between 6 to 7%. And FD returns is also between 6 to 7%. Then what are we gaining? Our money is just lying in the bank account. We are not earning anything on it. When it comes to investing in stocks, if we select good investments, we can easily get a return of 12 to 18% per annum. That is why we invest in stocks. Our main objective is to fight inflation. As investors, we believe that the prices of commodities and all other things are gonna rise in the near future. So what we as professional investors do, we are preparing for the future so that when the price rises, we do not suffer like the other people invest in FDs and other low income securities. So we are protecting ourselves from the future price rises so that when the price rises, we do not suffer like the other normal people who do not invest or who invest in fixed deposits and others. This is the main reason for investing. Whenever we invest, we need to keep these things in mind. When we select good investments, we first of all we fight inflation, and the second thing is obviously we're going to make money. So it is already included, it is not a separate objective. Just focus on the main objective of fighting inflation and money will flow in your pocket.